the question came up what to do with all the land that was acquired during the Mexican-American War. The question actually came up before the war even started. In the declaration of war to start the Mexican-American War, a northern politician by the name of David Wilmot from Pennsylvania, who was a free soiler, argued and tried to include an addition. That's what this word proviso means. Tried to include an addition to the declaration of war called the Wilmot Proviso, that any land that was acquired in the Mexican-American War would not allow slavery to be permitted in that territory. And it's going to pass the House fairly quickly and fairly easily because the North now has a population advantage. Even with the 3/5 compromise still in effect, the North, because of its industry and because of its immigration and because of the growing population, now has an advantage in the House of Representatives, easily passes the House to try to limit this expansion of slavery into the West. They don't want it to expand anymore. It's going to fail in the Senate, though, because there's an equal number of free soil and slave states in the Senate. This is referred to as the balance of power, and the southern states just kill off the Wilmot Proviso. This is something we're going to talk about this time period. It's the antebellum period. It means before the war. So we talk about the antebellum controversies over the extension of slavery into the Western territories. And one of the ideas that emerges at this time is referred to as popular sovereignty. Now, popular sovereignty breaks down into this idea that when a new territory gets enough people in it, they can vote on whether or not to allow slavery into that territory. Well, kind of, because who doesn't get the right to vote? The white population votes on whether or not to enslave the black population. So the very people that are most impacted by this, the black population that would be expected to be enslaved moving into the West, they get no say in the whole thing. So popular sovereignty seems like a democratic solution to a tangly problem. It's actually quite anti-democratic.